So I had a loose camera here on the floor and I just wanted to show you guys something. These are my stilts right here. I know I've done things on stilts, but I don't think you've ever seen these stilts, because look at the way that is connected. See, it's just got one little bolt right there connecting that arm, which holds your leg, to the base of the stilts. This is how they look today. That's how they made it today. Now they got a little pocket that they put them in, and it bolts through, which holds the arm to there. Now, this one stilt is very, very old. I've rebuilt it, but I didn't have the end piece to rebuild this one. These stilts are the same age, but this other one's got a lot more new parts than the old one does. But that little bolt, let me show you again, had a tendency to shear off and break. That does not, by the way. That won't shear off and break, but that one has. And when that thing shears off and breaks, you fall, you go down. Believe it or not, I've had it shear off once. I was going upstairs, but you know, you got to understand, I've been walking these stilts for 42 years. And one time I was walking upstairs and I had one of those shear off, but they were low and I was young and I fell down. But back then you just didn't get hurt. But one time I had my tall stilts, because all stilts were like this. I was on my super tall stilts, fully jacked up, and that bolt sheared off and broke. And I went down out of a garage holding my bazooka a long way down. I went home after that. That time I did get hurt. It wasn't fun. I didn't like it, and I went home. It's kind of like when I get shocked. I get shocked, I go home. You guys have a good day. Hey, if you really like the videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like the videos, please just share them with somebody else. All right? You guys have a great day.